Hey, I'd like to introduce you to VonWater. This is the 600 model. They make an 800 model, and they are fantastic to give you great tasting water and remove all that nastiness. RO filter, 7-stage, PC filter, coconut carbon. That gives you that fantastic taste. So what do you want? You want easy to install, you want easy maintenance, you want good tasting water, and you want good flow. Look at the little spigot that they have. Completely pivots, stainless steel. The 600 gives you 0.42 gallons a minute. If you want to step up to the 800, you're at like 0.56 gallons a minute. Easy to install because the heart of it is this one single valve. You've got a 1/2-inch water line, or if you've got 3/8, you get your adapters with it. Push and pull water lines. They go right in the top, right there, straight up to your spigot. Doesn't get any easier than that. The filter system, look at this. Look how nice it just comes in and out. They're massive. And then that beautiful 7-stage RO filter, 12 to 24 months. And how do you know? Well, the ease of use is right here in the control panel at the bottom. You can turn it on. It monitors the health of the filter. You do need to have the AC, of course. So if you're looking for a reverse osmosis system or replacing an old reverse osmosis system, give VonWater a try. You'll get great tasting water, high volume flow, easy installation, and low maintenance.